All right, so back inside the garage, get this intercooler prepped and ready so I can redo the Greddy stencil. All right, so got the stencil right here. Got it lined up, taped up. Actually look like it's centered, so we definitely should be good right here. You see what I had to do to get the valve cover off? Had to take the throttle body off, the throttle cable off, take the bolt out of here for the strut tower brace, just so I can get the valve covers out. Total of 20 bolts. I have the HKS intake piping for the turbo, so the flutter be a lot louder. Had to take off the whole housing up here on top that goes into the intercooler piping that goes down here. Since I'm doing this whole yellow scheme, yellow theme thing, whatever with the car, yellow, black, silver, figure why not do it. So just gonna take them off really quick, scuff them up, primer them, spray them yellow, and that'll pretty much be it for today. All right, so back inside the garage now. Got the Skyline jacked up. I think I'm gonna do the intercooler first so I can let the aircraft remover do its thing. And then after that, start taking off the intercooler piping and everything and start undoing the valve covers. Also right here in the corner, I have a brand new set of S3 xenon headlights. So I'm in the process of converting over to an S1 front end. So for those that don't know, that's looking to get into a Skyline R33 primarily. So there's two styles. I think the 93 to 95, I'll put a text right here to correct myself if I might be wrong, of the year ranges. So 93 to 95, there's S1, which is Series 1, which I had. Plenty of options to go for a Series 1. I kind of wish that I did go for a Series 1. The Series 1 headlight, you see how it's like got a shape right here? The Series 1 is pretty much more rounded. Along with the bonnet, the grille, and the front bumper are definitely different. This is a Series 2, which I think ranges from 96 to 98 or 97 to 98, give or take. So if you do get a Series 2, all you pretty much need is everything down the middle. Headlights, bonnet, grille, and bumper. And that's pretty much it. So far I already got the headlights, which ran me about $904. I'm going to do a carbon bonnet, carbon grille, and then also a GTR style front bumper. If I could find a 400R, like a good rep, then I also came across a company that do carbon fiber fenders also as well, and also had the cutout for the side markers. Instead of having the amber ones, I want to do the white ones. So I think it's gonna look pretty tough. It's gonna look pretty tough, but other than that, let me get to taking the front bumper off, get this intercooler prepped and ready so I can redo the Greddy stencil, finally get that out the way, and then finally get to taking this valve cover off. Only thing that sucks with these valve covers on these RBs, let me show you. Let me pop the bonnet really quick. All right, so here's the valve cover right here, right? You guys can see these things are screws. I really think this might be a little bit of an issue to get them all out. I'll just get started on the bumper for now, and then I'll get back to this. All right, so I got the intercooler off. Actually wasn't too bad to take everything off this time around. But you guys can clearly see, this is what I mean. See how close it was? Even like to over here, and then all this space right here. So surprisingly, the screws actually came out pretty easily, but you can clearly see back here, definitely leaking oil back here, that's for sure. So all I gotta do now from here is take the throttle body off. There's one more screw under there that I gotta take off. I'm gonna get my magnet and just be very, very careful to not drop any of these damn screws. You can still see a little bit of it. That's just because it's like, that's mostly like inside. I hope it don't look too bad when I redo it. Got my flat black right here from U-Pole. This paint is actually pretty good from O'Reilly's. All right, so I got the stencil right here. Got it lined up, taped up, so it don't move this time. Actually look like it's centered, so we definitely should be good right here. All right, yeah, so it's the next morning. The clips that I did have, I guess I messed up on the settings. I tried to do like this slow and quick thing as a setting to do like time lapse, but it was completely jacked up. There's a lot I had to remove off this video and take out. Everything dried up, looks pretty damn good. We got Bree here. Hi. Say hi.
Okay.
Yeah. What you got? Got your munchkin? It's not that cold out today. Yeah, it's not that cold. Yeah, Burberry. What? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you like the yellow? You like the yellow, Burberry? Nope. Never mind this. You guys gonna have to find a better seller with better quality sunstrip banner. This was horrible. It just sounds cheap. Sounds very, very cheap. The spoon banner didn't even move like this at all. I really wish I knew where my LED light disappeared to. It's literally nowhere to be found. You see what I had to do to get the valve cover off? Had to take the throttle body off, the throttle cable off, take the bolt out of here for the strut tower brace, just so I could get the valve covers out. Total of 20 bolts, along with those rubber grommets that come with it, but I ordered a whole new set from Outsider Garage, so hopefully that'll be here tomorrow. Also, today is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to y'all. I'm here early, it's literally like 6:15 in the morning. I just want to finally get this piece on right here. I have the HKS intake packet for the turbo, so the flutter be a lot louder. I think I might have to mostly take this whole area apart, so I'm gonna do that really quick, at least get that out the way. Try to at least get this situated by maybe 7:30 before Brianna actually wakes up, so I could be there for when she open up her gifts. So it's 7:53 now, and I'm just not getting this damn thing on. I had to take off the whole housing up here on top that goes into the intercooler piping that goes down here. From what I can tell now, all I need right now is just a 3-inch coupler, maybe a 90 degree, because the way it's angled, if I do it straight, this will more than likely be sitting up like this, and it might hit the bonnet. So if I do maybe like a 90, but we're moving along. So right now, like I said earlier, I'm waiting for the new bolts to come in for the valve cover. Also the PCV valve, because that broke. So here's the line for the PCV. Speaking of intake manifold, the upside of having a forward front facing manifold is the fact that I don't have to take the throttle body off to get to the damn bolts right here to take the valve cover off. There's so much you gotta do to get these valve covers off. And it's annoying, it's very, very annoying. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take the strut tower braces off, so they're both purple. I'm gonna sand those down, and then I'm gonna just spray those yellow also as well. Since I'm doing this whole yellow scheme, yellow theme thing, whatever with the car, yellow, black, silver, figure why not do it. So just gonna take them off really quick, scuff them up, primer them, spray them yellow, and that'll pretty much be it for today. Gonna be a short video, probably like 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes max. At least this way I can get some stuff done, leave some stuff out for the next video, so at least this way I have more content. I do a lot in these videos, and then there's other people that barely do anything in these videos and they get all the views in the world, but I don't know, maybe because I'm black, I don't know. Just joking, but maybe not. But you guys can clearly see, this is a whole different yellow, highlighter yellow. I just told him yellow. That's all I told him, so that's probably my fault. Hey, it is what it is. Tomorrow I'll come back with the 3-inch coupler, come back with a straight or 90 degree, and that should be all set as far as this intake tubing. And then just wait for the PCV valve to come in, along with the new bolts for the valve cover. They should be all set to get this car back up and running. Like I said before, I'm doing short-term videos now. I will be back tomorrow, and then that'll be it for this video. Alright guys, so we're at the end of the video. Remember, like I said, it's gonna be short videos, short form videos at this point. The shock tower brace actually came out pretty good on both sides. but somehow I managed to miss right here. I don't know how, but you guys can clearly see the puzzle is pretty much coming together on how I'm trying to get this thing to be for next season. You can definitely see the 2 different yellows though, that's for sure. Next video should have everything back together. The cupper should be here tomorrow. Just the only downside is it snowed again, so probably will not be taking the car out on the drive for a good while. The dress-up bolts for the valve cover didn't come in yet, or the PCV valve, so that's another reason why I also won't be able to drive it for a bit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I think I might actually stop saying that at the end of the video, because having subscribers don't really matter if your video is not getting any views or anything. So if you guys enjoyed the video, you'll come back and show some love in the comments or something. Get the algorithm and get these videos out to like other people and stuff, whatever. So my stuff to get actually seen, and it'll motivate me to keep doing these videos. Yeah, in the beginning when I started doing the videos, I did it for fun because it kind of like ended up being like a video diary. Not much of a diary. Damn, diary kind of sound like a little girl. Pretty much like video montages pretty much of what I started out from to where I am now. That's what I pretty much see what these videos are at the end of the day. You know, it's nice, you know, you put stuff out to the public for people to see, just like how everyone else, they just putting videos out and they're just being themselves, and they getting the support, they getting the love, they getting the recognition. I'm just trying to do the same, that's all. But like I said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.